Whoa. Whoa. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. And welcome here to a perfect day in the state of Michigan. That's right, boys. We're back here in Michigan. We're headed up to America's Most Wanted 4x4 because the Hellcat Gladiator, it's done. It's done. I cannot remember the last time I was this excited. We're going to have a 707 horsepower Jeep Gladiator. We're here at Rally Porsche's garage. I don't know which Porsche we're going to take, but we are driving the Gladiator back to Utah starting today. The goal is Chicago by tonight. Maybe, probably. We're taking the GT3, right? Okay. Okay, we'll take the GT3. What is on that? Is that stock? Sharkworks. Ah, Sharkworks. Sharkworks right there, boys. This wrap is so sick, guys. Be sure to go follow Rally Porsche on Instagram, the Sharkworks GT3. We're in Mexico. This is Tijuana. It looks a little bit more lush than what you're used to, but this is truly Tijuana, and this car has launch control, yes? Look at this. Oh, no.
Wait, is that you press that button? Oh, wait, no.
Whoa. It has been way too long. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome here to America's Most Wanted. I cannot remember the last time I was this excited. It's been so long. I dropped off the Gladiator in June, so it has been 2 months. HP Tuners, America's Most Wanted. I cannot wait to see what's under here. Here we go. Do you know how to operate that? You know what you're doing?
No, it's not a Porsche.
Oh. We've done it, boys. Check this out. That thing is massive. The crazy thing is this is a 6.2 liter supercharged V8. We're going to be installing a 7 liter in soon. So this is the Hellcat. We're going to still be getting the Hellcat. It's just been delayed ever so slightly. Check that out. Could we get a couple revs?
Absolutely.
Okay, yeah. Jeez. Oh my goodness, boys, we have done it. We have officially arrived. Wow. We have created a monster. We're gonna perform a bit of a burnout, if you will. I've decided that at some point along the journey, I'm gonna wanna do a burnout. I'm gonna wanna do donuts. There's no better place to do it right here than America's Most Wanted, because if I do blow the axle, well, this is the place, because they can fix it. We're here with Alex from America's Most Wanted. He is our burnout specialist, sort of a connoisseur, if you will. He's the professional, so we're good whatever. Yep. He's shutting it down. All the electronics keep shutting it down? Yeah. We also have Rally Porsche's GT3 sitting right there. They were kind of sort of swinging. There's nothing like the smell of fresh rubber in the early morning in Holly, Michigan. Oh my goodness, what have we built? What has America's Most Wanted built? I've never really done like a real burnout. I did one in the Supra, but that was just like nonsense because I didn't have enough power. This, however, this does. Never doubt, full send. We've reached the curiosity portion of the vlog. I already broke it. I broke it, boys. I broke it. I've done it. We're currently, if you put it into drive, I broke it, boys. I broke it. We're able to drive it in 4 low right now. This is what happens when you put a Hellcat on stock axles. Yes, I'm an idiot, I'm a loser. The plan was when we got back to Utah was to replace the axles, and then I got immature and I had to do a burnout. I had to, I didn't have a choice. I truly actually did not have a choice. There was just pressure from Nick. I'm blaming you. I am a complete and utter idiot. I'm pretty sure I just blew the axle on the Gladiator. Hellcat, 707 horsepower on a stock axle. the plan all along was to drive it home to Utah and then swap out the axles, but unfortunately, my immaturity got the best of me. So I was supposed to be in Chicago tonight. We're gonna try to get the Gladiator up on a hoist, see what the real issue is, and then kind of sort of go from there. I will be forever known as the guy who broke his Hellcat Gladiator in I think 9 minutes. Yeah, I lasted 9 minutes. It was kind of sort of inevitable. We're on a stock rear axle with 40-inch tires and 707 horsepower. Just imagine when I have the Hellcat. So we're gonna try to see exactly what the issue is. Hopefully we can find a solution, fix it, hopefully relatively soon. I kind of want to be in Chicago tonight, but I don't know if that's gonna happen. Everything in here actually appears to be like okay. We think the shaft might be broken, which would be like, that would be amazing. Jeez, Alex just lifted that 40 like it was no big deal. I would have actually fallen over and I would be laying on the ground dead. You see this piece right there? That was connected to right there and it just completely sheared off. Yeah, that's really my bad. That's on me, that was my mistake. This axle shaft is all twisted, so it was close to shearing off, but this one broke first, so that didn't get the opportunity. Well, we kind of sort of have some bad news. We can't find replacement axle shafts. The Gladiator is so new, there's none available. Like, I don't know what we're gonna do. We were supposed to be in Chicago. I'm such an idiot. I'm so dumb. Why did it always happens on the last burnout. Always the last one. We don't really know what to do, so we're gonna get lunch in the GT3. Well, kids, we're gonna need either a new axle shaft or we're gonna just have to buy a whole new axle. So we're here at Wendy's for the 4for4 because honestly, we can't afford anything else. In a lot of ways, this is really a representation of where we're at in life.
No. This is a representation of life.
Oh my God.
Outplaced.
Yeah. We still can't find an axle shaft. I don't really know what we're gonna do.
Every single one's here. Every single one. I got no rear shocks.
We are going to the ends of the earth here in Michigan. And when I say ends of the earth, we're on Craigslist looking for parts. I might have to fly home to Utah. I don't know what we're gonna do. And we're back with no axle shafts, so yeah. Burnout number 1, 2, and 3 were performed over there. Burnout number 4 is right here, but burnout number 5, that is where the dilemma really happened. Everything was going very, very, very well, and then we had a bit of a wheel hop right there, and that's what blew the axle shaft. That's what did it, boys. I'm an idiot, I'm a loser. I mean, you guys probably already knew that if you've watched the channel for a while, but this kind of, yeah. It's kind of sort of crazy when you think about it. Every single dumb decision I have made in my entire life has led me to this exact moment in time in which I'm sat here at America's Most Wanted and my Jeep is broken. The parts do not exist. Like, the parts are not available. Fiat Chrysler FCA, they don't have any parts in stock. Like, absolutely no axle shafts in the entire world. No dealerships have them, boys. Nobody has them. I think we're moving to Michigan. We made it 25 feet. 25 feet, that's how far we made it. And now we're headed home in the GT3. We can't find the part. I don't know what we're gonna do. I don't really know where we're going. I'm moving in with Nick, so. Yeah. The front door is right there, and we made it to right here, which is approximately 50 feet. Nick said 25 feet. I made it 50 feet. I made it out of America's Most Wanted, but we're back in the GT3.
Let's call it 37 and a half.
We'll split the difference. I made it 37 and a half feet. We're not taking the Jeep home tonight, boys. I would ask you to go full send, but I don't want you to rip apart your axle.
It's not a Jeep, James.
Whoa, bro! I knew Nick was gonna do that. Guys, if you don't follow Rally Porsche on Instagram, what are you doing? Like, link in the description below. What turned into me just like spending the night at his house has turned into the entire day because I broke a Jeep. Yeah, now I'm moving in. I'm homeless. It didn't break. And we're back. I don't know what we're doing, but we're back. We are back here in Rally Porsche's garage. We definitely will not be in Chicago tonight. We're not gonna be in Houston on Friday. We're not gonna make San Antonio on Saturday. New Mexico's not happening on Sunday. And we're not gonna be home in Utah on Monday. I really have no idea what's gonna happen. Like, this part does not exist. Nobody has it. It does not exist. So unfortunately, I have no idea where tomorrow's video is going to lead us. Also, I want to point out America's Most Wanted, like, they have no fault in this whatsoever. They recommended that I upgrade the axles, and I was going to when I got home to Utah, but unfortunately my immaturity got the best of me, and I had to do a burnout. Like, it's the Hellcat reveal. I had to. I didn't have a choice. Unfortunately, I did it 5 times instead of 4 times, and the 5th one didn't go as well as the other 4. So, yeah. Anyways, as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like Squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.